This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Italy's DEM supermarkets installing CO2 refrigeration systems to cut greenhouse gas emissions, says Arneg, by J.O. Haraldson, published September 19, 2025. As part of its goal to cut greenhouse gas emissions, Italy's DEM supermarkets is installing CO2 refrigeration systems in all of its new stores, Italian manufacturer Arneg told naturalrefrigerants.com. DEM, founded in 2007, operates 27 sales outlets in the Lazio and Abruzzo regions. Recently, Arneg installed CO2 systems in 3 new DEM stores in the cities of Grottaferrata, San Cesareo, and Scurcola Marsicana. The first 2 stores are located near Rome, while the Scurcola Marsicana location is around 100 kilometers, 62 miles, east of Rome. Based solely on the GWP of the upfront refrigerant charge, the 3 stores will avoid about 277 metric tons of CO2e emissions, compared to R448A, Arneg said, adding that the CO2 refrigeration systems use 15% less energy than equivalent HFC systems. Installation details. At each store, a CO2 rack supplies refrigeration to display cabinets, with inverters on the boosters providing intelligent regulation and gas coolers maximizing efficiency. Recovered heat is used to produce domestic hot water and saves 25 kilowatt-hours of energy per day per store, according to Arneg. The CO2 system at the 1,552 square meters, 16,706 square feet, Grottaferrata store provides 300 kilowatts, 85.3 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity in 41 degrees Celsius, 105.8 degrees Fahrenheit, ambient conditions. The refrigeration system at the 2,228 square meters, 23,982 square feet. San Cesareo store provides 380 kilowatts, 108.1 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity in 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ambient conditions. The system at the 1,652 square meters, 17,782 square feet. Scurcola Marsicana store provides 300 kilowatts of cooling capacity in 41 degrees Celsius ambient conditions. Ongoing partnership. These 3 stores are not Arneg's first collaboration with DEM, nor will they be the last. The 2 companies are currently working on other natural refrigerant projects. Arneg reviews and optimizes store layouts designed by DEM, according to Marco De Sanctis, CEO of DEM Supermarkets. Our shared values, including a determination to do well, have enabled our company and Arneg to build a consolidated relationship over the years, said De Sanctis. Quotable. Arneg's natural refrigerant solutions are adaptable to every market format, the company said. Our range of racks goes from small retail with the Globo series to large supermarkets and logistic distribution centers with the Booster series.